Well, hello. It's August 29 or 30. I'm not sure. It's Thursday, 2018. And I just wanted to show you some squash that we planted. My friend Anita started these and gave me, they were maybe an inch or 2 inches high, maybe 3 inches high. But now they have a lot more leaves on them. I put tomato cages around them. I'm going to try to trellis them up, keep the vines small, and then even if I get one pumpkin or one winter squash, I think that's Hubbard, I'll be quite satisfied. My biggest threat is the vine borer, of course. So I'm going to dust it, keep it dusted with Diatomaceous Earth. That really did a number on those flea beetles that were on my eggplants. My eggplants are looking much better. I'll show you. But first, look at the banana plant. Wow, it's getting so big now. And no trouble. I've been, like I said, dusting with Diatomaceous Earth, and that stuff really works well. And I guess the daily rain doesn't hurt anything. Bananas, I think, like that. Here's the little navel orange. It is getting fuller, but of course there's no blossoms or fruit on it, and there should be fruit on it by now. The blueberries are okay. Something is making the leaves turn brown. I guess I need to spray with some baking soda. But it's been raining every day, heavy rain every day, so it's like, what's the point of spraying, Here's the little satsuma. It's coming along, but again, no fruit. It looks good, but no sign of any fruit. So I'll have to read up on what I'm not doing. The little perennial seeds are slowly coming up. Slowly coming up. Oh, I can't wait to see what those are going to be like. Champ has peed on my Easter lily, but there's some green there, so I'm going to leave it alone. That's why I kept these rebar sticking in the ground as a psychological barrier, but it used to stop him, but now it's not stopping him too much. Here's of course, the turmeric that's growing really well. And I'm getting more flowers again now with the cooler weather. So that's nice. I went to Lowe's and bought two types of oregano, the Greek and the Italian, just to compare. So I'll be enjoying that, I hope. Yes, the smaller, darker leaf is the Greek, and the lighter leaf is the Italian. And I haven't tasted it yet. I also bought a parsley because I could not get the seeds to start, so I did buy some flat leaf parsley, and it's doing quite well. I have it under a tree. It gets afternoon shade. Rosemary, of course, is doing very well. And I started some little seedlings in here. I'm not sure if I can show you this or not, but they are starting to come up. I can lift this up a little bit. You can peek inside there. There's some seedlings. Those are various herbs. Actually, it's three kinds of basil, and some oregano, and again some more parsley. Sage is doing fine. Look at the peppers. Have boku peppers. And since I thinned everything out, the gypsy peppers are doing much better. Those, of course, are the hot longhorn peppers. There's a gypsy pepper back there. It's sweet. And a lot of them here. I tried to tie that up, but with all the rain, it keeps falling. All the peppers. Like I said, there's eggplant blooms everywhere. You don't see the flea beetles anymore. And I've been shaking the petals to try to get them to pollinate, because I'm not sure if I chase the bees away with the Diatomaceous Earth. But you can see it is doing better. The eggplant's doing better, and it is blooming. This is the younger eggplant. Oh, look, I got an eggplant. There's one starting right there. There's another one back here. Hot dog. Yeah. Hot dog. Oh my goodness, look. I got two more back here. Here's one. And there's the other one back there. Hot dog. I'll be darned. I'm so glad. I love the eggplant. It has such a deep, rich flavor. And let's see, nothing going on in the cauliflower yet. Nothing there. But this is a self-whitening cauliflower where the leaves curl over the flower. So I hope I get something. I did buy these two sweet bell peppers at Lowe's, and they're doing very well. The cucumbers doing okay, climbing up the trellis. With all the rain though, they keep getting beat down, you know. This is the little where is it? I'm trying to show you that's just grass, isn't it? I'm trying to find there it is, the little green onions. That's all I got. I planted a whole row, but all I got is two. I guess I need to start things inside. I need to, you see this yellow stuff here? Now, what is that? Oh, that just looks, I don't know what that is on there. That yellow, I have no idea what that yellow is. There it is, you see the yellow? I have no idea what that yellow is. It looks like little eggs or little, so that leaf is coming off right now. And off it goes. That's volunteer watermelon coming up there, but I intend to put some squash there. I started inside some queen acorn squash, I hope takes. And I'll put those there on this trellis when they're big enough. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. That's all that's going on. I'm kind of between things. I'm anxious to start some spinach and some more beets. I've been enjoying my beets and in salads with my little purple onions. See, I told you the cooler weather. It's still in the 90s here, but the blaring sun is not as bad. Like I said, we've been having a lot of rain. This is the sunflower. There we go. It's got lots of flowers on it. So that's doing nicely. And I got this agapantha that I have to put in the ground. I think I need to put it here where it gets some shade, or because the ones I started in the front have too much sun. They just got burned. I need to move them. Anyway, this was a $15 plant at Lowe's. I got for $5 in the discount area. The little begonias are coming up, but something ate some of them. I'm not too worried about it. And the grapes actually gone, pretty much gone now, especially with the rain. The rain has knocked off the remaining fruit. And yeah, say hello, Josie. So that's what's going on here. Take care now. Bye.